Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. SSET Englishtown.
Hi guys, it's Jane. I am here for my Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 1A 230 in room 503. Today we will be doing listening, alright? So you'll need your listening books. But before we open our listening books, we are going to be taking a vocabulary quiz, okay? So, on a blank piece of paper, write down the following words. And then we'll get a red pen out and check our answers, okay? So, number 1, farm, farm, farm. Number 2, zebra, zebra, zebra. Number 3, cow, cow, cow. Number 4, sheep, sheep, sheep. Number 5, forest, forest, forest. Number 6, tiger, tiger, tiger. Number 7, squirrel, squirrel, squirrel. Number 8, animal, animal. Number 9, beaver, beaver, beaver. And number 10, favorite, favorite, favorite. Okay, so now let's check our answers, okay? So number 1, farm. Number 2, zebra. Number 3, cow. Number 4, sheep. Number 5, forest. Number 6, tiger. Number 7, squirrel. Number 8, animal. Number 9, beaver. And number 10, favorite, favorite. All right, so whatever words you missed, remember you need to write them 3 times, okay? 3 times to work on spelling, all right? Okay, turn to page 95, and we are going to check our homework, okay? All right, so on page 95, do you know where tigers live, Jessica? Tigers live in jungles, mountains, and forests. That's right. How about cats? Cats usually live in houses. Where do cows live then? They live on farms. All right. So, tigers, jungles, mountains, forests, cats, houses, cows, on farms. All right? All right. So, we are going to start a new unit now. Unit 23 on page 96. If you turn to page 96, we will go over your new vocabulary words. Okay? So, the 4 vocabulary words that you need to write at the top of the page are elementary, walk, Now you guys should already know straight because straight is in our comprehension as a vocabulary word. So you should already know it, okay? Now we're going to answer 1 through 6 using our new vocabulary. Number 1, down, down. Number 2, left, left. Number 3, right, right. Number 4, map, map. Number 5, near. And number 6, far. Okay? So, these are the vocabulary words you will need to know for next time for your vocabulary quiz, okay? So, make sure you're studying these, okay? Alright, so now let's go ahead and start with our listening practice, okay?
Get there. Listening practice 1.
Excuse me,
Yes?
can you help me? Today is my first day and I'm lost. Where is the elementary school?
Do you have a map?
Yes, here it is.
Good. Go straight down this street and turn left.
Thank you.
Alright, so number 1, what's wrong with Ken? Ken is lost, right? Yeah, so C, Ken is lost. So, where is his school? If we are looking at the map, where does he have to go? He has to go straight down and then turn left. So which one shows us straight down, turn left? That's right. B. B. Straight down, turn left. Alright. Now, we're going to move on to the next listening practice, okay? So have your pencils ready, because you're going to be matching the person to where they are, okay?
Listening practice 2. 1. Ben lives in an apartment building across from the department store. 2. Mr. Smith's house is next to the bookstore. 3. Josh is jogging in the park behind the library. 4. Kate goes to the grocery store in front of the apartment building.
Alright, so first, Ben lives in an apartment building. So the first one, we're going to put apartment. So apartment. And it is across the street from the department store, right? Okay, what about Mr. Smith? Mr. Smith lives in a house. So the pink building, so house, okay? Next to what? Next to bookstore. Okay, Josh is jogging in the park behind the library. Behind the library. All right, and Kate is at the store in front of the apartment building. So in front of the apartment building. All right, so check those, make sure you have those right. Okay, now turn to page 98, and we are going to do our next listening practice.
Listening practice 3.
1. The library is next to the teacher's room. 2. The apartment building is far from the school. 3. The police station is across from the hospital. 4. Go straight down the street and turn left. Then there is the bookstore.
All right, so number 1, you should have selected box number 2 because the library is next to the teacher's room, right? For number 2, you should have selected box number 1 because the apartment building is far from the school. Number 3, you should have selected box 1 because the police station is across from the hospital. And number 4, you should have selected box number 2 because you go down the street and then turn left. Okay, so now we are going to do listening practice 4. And you need to fill in the blanks while you are listening, okay?
Listening practice 4.
1. Excuse me? Where is Miss John's office?
It's next to the library.
2. Excuse me? How do I get to City Hall?
Go straight down this street and turn right.
3. Where can I find a map?
You can buy one at the bookstore near the school.
Okay. So, where is Miss John's office? It is next to the library. Next to the library. How does the boy get to City Hall? He has to go straight down and then turn right. So go straight down and then turn right. And then number 3, where can the boy find a map? He can buy one at the bookstore near the school. So bookstore near school. Okay, so now I want you guys to read along and practice step 3, let's talk at home with your mother, brother, sister, father, whoever is available to help you, and also to fill in the dictation on page 99. Do not forget to fill in your dictation handout, and I will check it the next time you come to class, all right? So remember to study vocabulary for our quiz, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.
Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. SSET Englishtown.